Qonto's invoice creation workflow is designed to reduce friction, cut manual errors, and speed up cash flow for businesses that invoice regularly in dollars. The process begins inside the Qonto dashboard, where invoices are created directly from the business account rather than through disconnected tools. This eliminates duplicate data entry and ensures every invoice is automatically linked to the correct account and transaction history. When creating a new invoice, business details such as company name, address, and tax information are pre-filled. Client information can be selected from saved contacts or added once and reused across future invoices. Line items are entered with clear descriptions, quantities, and prices in dollars, allowing for transparent billing and professional presentation. Taxes and discounts can be applied instantly, with totals calculated in real time to avoid mispricing or compliance mistakes. Qonto allows invoices to be customized with logos, payment terms, and due dates, reinforcing brand identity while setting clear expectations for clients. Once finalized, invoices are sent directly from the platform via email, with delivery tracked automatically. Each sent invoice is assigned a clear status, showing whether it has been viewed, is pending, or has been paid. As payments come in, Qonto links incoming transfers to the corresponding invoice. This automation removes the need for manual reconciliation and provides instant visibility over outstanding amounts in dollars. Late payments are easier to manage because reminders can be triggered directly from the invoice interface without rewriting messages or exporting data. All invoices are stored securely and can be filtered by client, status, or date, making reporting and accounting straightforward. By keeping invoice creation, sending, tracking, and payment matching in one workflow, Qonto turns invoicing from a repetitive administrative task into a streamlined financial process that supports faster payments and clearer cash flow control.